Well, I thought I'd do a quick fan video since I haven't really done one yet. I'm going to do a run-up of this Hampton Bay Glendale 52-inch bronze finish. The blades are reversible. I have the darker side of brown facing down and the lighter shade of brown facing up on the other side. So I'll go ahead and turn the light on, show you that. And we'll go ahead and run it up on high. Here's medium. And we'll go ahead and go to low. Still moves quite a bit of air even on low. Well, that should do it for this video, so thanks for watching.